Did he swear?
Yeah. No. Infinite bullet. Dun, 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 dun,
Yeah.
dun, dun, dun,
You're finished.
Pardon me. Beat that. Oh, I know how to.
What'd you say?
No, that was the biggest burp I think I've ever done.
No, I think so too, bro. But what do you say?
What?
What do you say after a burp?
Pardon me.
Thank you, Brody.
Oh, pardon me.
Kinda. What the hell? Where are your manners?
That didn't outburp mine.
Pardon me. Excuse me. It's not really good. No, right. Let's stop.
Pardon me.
I really can't help it.
I'm gonna outburp
promise I'm not doing that on purpose.
all of you.
Mine was completely natural, okay? So I don't want to hear any more burps. What is she laughing at?
Pardon you.
I remember my first Pepsi Max.
Max.
Relax yourself. Yeah, Max.
My first Pepsi Max.
Did you act like that? Silly like that?
No.
Nah. He didn't act silly when he had a Pepsi Max. So what are you playing at? There's just an unusual weight in the air at the moment. It's just like it's this burp. Burp all right.
Oh no. Oh no, I think something's coming.
Nah. Nah. What the hell?